everyone, how are you doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. So FedEx just dropped off my Ipsy Plus today, so super excited about that. So obviously today we are going to be unboxing the November Ipsy Plus, and then I will also try on some of the items. So if somehow you do not know what Ipsy is, it is a beauty subscription. They now offer 3 different subscription options. The one we're opening today is like the middle tier, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and this one is $25 a month. The one below it, just the regular Ipsy Glam Bag, is $12 a month, and then the Ipsy Ultimate, which should be at my door later today. Kind of weird, that one comes through the Postal Service or USPS, and this one comes through FedEx, but anyways, I'm giving that one another shot. That is pretty damn expensive at $50, so yeah, so today we're opening, like I said, the Plus. I will link Ipsy down below if you're interested in subscribing. But anyways, let's get started with the unboxing. So again, it's in its new packaging. It's pink, says Ipsy. Let me find my scissors and get this open. When I open up the box, this is what it looks like. It says Discover Yourself. Then there's like some protective foam, and all the items are underneath. There is a little card that comes with it. It says Wild Side, so I guess that's the theme. It says November 2019, this month, dare to step into uncharted territory, electric lipsticks, passion projects, far-flung destinations. By leaning into the unknown, you just might find the most authentic version of you. So I forgot to mention, in the Ipsy Plus, you get 5 full-size items, and you also get a bag every month. This is what it looks like inside the card. It actually does not list any of the items, which is different. Usually it lists the items along with the pricing, so that's kind of a bummer. I guess I could like look up the prices online, but I mean, that's not convenient just to see what the value is, because I like to kind of assess like what I spent and what the value of the box is, see if it's worth it. But anyways, there is a collaboration this month with all of the Ipsy bags with Gigi Gorgeous. So here is Gigi right there. I'm not too familiar with Gigi Gorgeous, to be honest. I feel like I've heard of her, but I haven't watched any of her content, assuming she's on YouTube and Instagram, I don't know. It says, from redefining beauty's social landscape to the launch of her new collection, Gigi Gorgeous, this YouTube personality, author, and activist, shares how to shed doubts and live fearlessly. And then there's like some stuff she said there. I won't read all of that. There's some dates on the back, which is nice. It says, let's get festive. So on the 25th of this month, you get to choose. So it says, November 25th, Choice Day. Today is the day you can pick the first product in your bag. We'll build the rest around it. While you're there, snag our Ipster exclusive gift sets. So recently, since Ipsy has rolled out some changes last month, you do get to select 1 item each month. So when we get to it, I'll tell you what I selected. The selection choices honestly haven't been like that thrilling, but I do like that we have that option now. And then it looks like on Black Friday, they're going to have a limited edition 6-item mystery bag. I'm gonna look into that. Depending on how much it is, maybe I'll pick that up. Let me know if you guys would like that on my channel if you want to watch it. And then on 12/2, December 2nd, Cyber Monday add-ons. Wow, it's so crazy to think that December is next month. But anyways, let's get into the products. So the first thing I see here, this is by Illamasqua, and this is the Hydra Veil Rehydrating Gel. The outer packaging is nice. So it's a moisturizer or what? It would be nice if there was a handout thing to come with it that talks about it, but there is some information on the packaging. It says, this best-selling clear gel instantly helps skin feel hydrated and smooth. The lightweight water-based formula is quickly absorbed by the skin and is the perfect base for long-wear foundation application, leaving your skin looking flawless. The clear gel is infused with vitamin B3 and sodium hyaluronate that holds more than 1,000 times its weight in water, perfect for moisturizing your skin. Can I read? So it's supposed to blur the appearance of fine lines and make your skin smoother as well. I feel like I might have gotten a sample of this in a different box, and I haven't tried it yet. Yeah, because it looks kind of like this too. So I already have my base makeup on, so we won't be trying this today. Oh, and look, it comes with like a cute little spoon thing to scoop it up, which is nice, because sometimes these tubs of stuff, like, they're just not the most hygienic. So how do we get this open? Oh, wow. It's like a jelly. Can you guys see that? I just have the urge to sniff it. It just smells like very lightly fragrance, like just general like skincare. Do you guys know what scent I'm talking about? But I think that little spoon that comes on it is so cute. So this is 30 mLs, and I just pulled up their website on my phone to see the price. And this Hydra Veil primer is $45. So this is more than the box itself, so that's good to know. I'm excited to try it out. If you guys have tried it, definitely let us know in the comment section. So I guess I'll just keep using my phone to look up prices as we go along. Next up is the item I actually ended up choosing, and this is by Murad. This is their Acne Control Rapid Relief Acne Spot Treatment. This is supposed to reduce blemishes and reduces redness within 4 hours. It has 2% salicylic acid in it. So out of all the options, I can't honestly remember what else was listed, but I thought this was the most intriguing. I do break out occasionally. Well, I pretty much always have at least a couple breakouts on my face, so I wanted to try this. And since it's just a spot treatment, I feel like this should last a while. Oh, this is 15 mLs, so let me look up the price. So on Murad's website, this was, it's listing this as a Allure Beauty Award winner in 2018, so that's good to know. And it is $22. Right, next up, this is something by Ciate London, and this is their Stamp Liner in Duo. I'm like nervous to try this, but we will try it out today. It's cool packaging, right? Wish my eyes could look like that, but it says, "Hey guys, Ciate London and I have come to your wing liner rescue with the game-changing stamp and drag liner." So this is a collaboration item. It looks like with Courtney Act, if I'm saying that right. I believe it's a drag queen. So this is like one of those like dual-ended products that has like a stamp, like a winged stamp on one side and then just regular liner on the other. And this, if it works, it will be amazing, but it makes me nervous because I feel like I will mess it up somehow. So this is the packaging. It looks like it's signed by Courtney Act, so that's cool. I wish I knew who she was. So here's just the regular side, felt tip. And then on the other, here is that stamp. Can you guys see? I'm just gonna like do it on my hand really quick. So not bad. So we'll try this out in just a moment. A little nervous, but let's see how much this costs. Kind of weird. It comes up on the Sephora Malaysia website, but I don't see it like in any regular retailer. I don't know their currency. Let's see. Yeah, interesting. So this came out in 2018 and I don't think it's currently available besides on Sephora Malaysia, and maybe like Mercari is listing it. So I don't know like the real retail price of this, but that's interesting, right? Right, next up we have something by the Gigi Gorgeous line. So I think they just made this like with Ipsy, so I don't know if I can get like a straight up price on this. Well, it says Gigi Gorgeous Cosmetics, made in China. I don't know if this has a name, but let's get this open. Looks pretty. I like glosses. It's like a pink shimmery shade. Okay, so according to my Ipsy app, this is the Gigi Gorgeous Less is More lip gloss in Get Into It. And it looks like it's $16, but as a Ipsy member, you can purchase this for $14.40. Well, it's a pretty big, like, doe foot applicator. See, does that have a scent? Yeah. Smells like cake batter, you know, something yummy like that, like a lot of lip glosses smell like. That is it swatched on my hand. And let's put some on my lips, why not? It doesn't feel sticky or anything like that, so let's see how it wears. But yeah, just like a pretty sheer, like light pink shimmery gloss. It smells good, so yeah. Next up is something I'm really excited about, and this is the last item other than, or besides the makeup bag, but this is by Makeup Geek. This is their highlighter in Starlight, and I've only tried like 2 single shadows from Makeup Geek, so I'm excited to try this. I think they're rebranding and redoing their like packaging, so I wonder if that's how it's like slipping into subscription boxes, but let's get this open. So this is the packaging. Oh, it's kind of pink, so there is a mirror. That's what it looks like. Oh, it's pretty. I normally don't wear this shade highlighter, but let's try it out. Wow, that's a nice highlight. I like it. Yeah, you only need a little bit of this. I always wonder if you guys can like tell on camera, but in person, this is nice, very bam. So let me look up the price of this. Well, it looks like they are selling it in this packaging at Target for $14.99. And then this is our bag for the month. So it has like leopard print. It's alright, it feels kind of like cheapy, but they used to not include bags in the Ipsy Plus and now they do. So I'm curious if this will be the same bag as the regular Ipsy, because I know a lot of people were upset last month that they repeated bags. There's supposed to be a different bag in the regular Ipsy Glam bag, the Ipsy Plus, and the Ipsy Ultimate. So we will see when that arrives. So now let's try this eyeliner. I'm a little nervous. The Stamp and Drag, the only item we couldn't find the price for. I wonder if that's why they didn't include that handout. I don't know, it's weird. But it seems like it's working okay, at least on my hand. But I looked at Ipsy, their app on my phone, and it gave like a really quick video on how to use it. So it says just to stamp it and then fill it in a line afterwards. So here we go. Oh, look, it kind of bled a little. Did I do that like way too high? I don't even know how to do wings. We're just gonna go with it. Let's see, so now I'm gonna go to the other side and so yeah, that's a little intense, but like worked. I probably should have been a little bit more careful with like placement. But yeah, that was like 5 seconds. So now let's try it on the other eye. See if I can make it match at all. No, that one doesn't look as good. I think this side is a little bit more hooded. Let me try it again. Yeah, that definitely does not look the same. I'm gonna try to use the other side just to fill it in and maybe make it look a little bit more even, but I don't know. I think just because of the shape of my eyes, this is something I'm gonna have to work with, or like work at, to getting better at. I just royally messed that up. You know what, I'm gonna get a makeup wipe and try that eye over. Okay, round 2. If this doesn't work, then we're just gonna end it and I'll practice off camera. Okay. I don't know why it's so much harder in this direction than the other. Yeah, that's pretty darn awful. The first eye just was like super easy and quick, and then this one, I don't know. I need to figure this out. Super messy right now. I look so ridiculous. I think I'm gonna have to take this off after filming, but yeah, let's wrap this up. So let's just start with this. I don't know how much use I'll get out of this stamp thing. I'm gonna have to try it out. If you guys have any tips or tricks, please let me know. I do really like the highlight. I think that's really pretty, and I'm excited to try more Makeup Geek because it's a brand I've been really curious about. And the Murad Acne Control little spot treatment, I'm excited to use that as well because I use a Murad cleanser a few times a week and I really like that. So, so far I've had a great experience with their products and I'm looking forward to trying that one. The Illamasqua primer, I'll have to try it out and let you guys know. $45, it's a pretty steep price, but I'm excited to see if it actually helps with like my long wear foundation. So keep you updated on that. The gloss, it's fine. It's just a good gloss and nothing to write home about, but it's not sticky, it's pretty. I'll definitely use it. And then here is our bag. So since I jotted down the prices, I think this is definitely worth it in my opinion. I don't know about this liner, like I said, but yeah, it's definitely not my favorite Ipsy Plus, not even close, but It's not awful. I guess I should put some mascara on, but whatever. I'll do that off camera. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I love you so much. And like I said, my Ipsy Ultimate should be arriving later today. I have plans this afternoon, so I'll probably film that tomorrow, but look out for that video. Let's see if they redeem themselves, because last month I know a lot of people were super bummed with the Ultimate. But anyways, love you guys. See you in my next video. Bye.